Hey, what's up you guys? This is Sierra, also known as Cali Curls. Welcome back to my channel. So I received a package from Renewed Hair Company. If you are familiar with my channel and you watch my videos, then you know that I have used them in the past and I love them. Well, they went ahead and sent me some new products that they came out with, and they've actually expanded their hair care range to abide to your porosity level of hair. So I have low porosity hair and they sent me this. First off, look at how cute this packaging is. I'm loving the palm tree aesthetic, the green. Okay, so here goes their stimulating moisture cleanse. It is organic, vegan, cruelty-free. So this is their stimulating moisture conditioner for low porosity hair. And then their elixir, which is one of my favorites that I downed the bottle when I had these. So here goes their elixir. This is for all hair types. Okay, so I'm excited to try out the moisture cleanse and the moisture conditioner, especially that it's tailored to my own porosity level. And of course, I'm excited to just jump back on this because, like I said, when I first had this, I was going through postpartum shedding and there wasn't a lot of products out there that were really helping me, but this bad boy was helping me. I know my husband was like losing hair on this side and he was using it as well. And I also used it on my sons when they were younger and they had finer hair. It helped grow their hair thick. So I'm at the process in my hair journey right now because you guys know I had so many setbacks where I just want my hair to grow. I want my hair to be healthy. I don't want to go through another setback. So I am going to do this 3-month challenge where I'm sticking with Renewed Hair Company's products as far as cleansing and conditioning my hair and using their oils. I'm strictly sticking to them. And I'm going to keep you guys updated throughout the process. So here goes my hair. It's really dry, really dry. I struggle with dryness. That's just how my hair has always been. If you have low porosity hair, you know the struggle. I wanted to do a quick length check as well. Length checks are kind of tricky for me because I mean you can see, you know, but I kind of pay attention. I don't really do measurements. I just pay attention to how big my hair is, and I kind of just, you know, use clips from either 1 month, 2 months back and just compare it to my hair at its own natural state. But I'm gonna give you guys like a quick little measurement just so you guys can see where I'm at the beginning of my journey. So the front of my hair stops basically a little above my chin right here. So this side right here is barely touching my collarbone. This side right here is barely touching my collarbone, and now the nap of my hair should be touching my owl, probably the top of the head of my owl, just because I know where my tattoo is. Here goes my owl. And okay, that was kind of a struggle a little bit, but we got the measurements down. And before jumping in the shower and shampooing my hair, I'm going to go in with their elixir to pre-poo. This is going to help prep my hair. It's going to avoid any unnecessary breakage or shedding. So I'm going to put the water in my hair. I should have did this at the beginning of the video. All right, water is in. Now you guys also know I am a mother of 2. The boys are in the front watching Toy Story right now. So I don't have like all day to be really working on my hair. So this pre-poo is gonna help. So basically I'm just sectioning off my hair into 4 separate sections and then taking each 4th section and just splitting it into 2. I'm gonna use a good amount. So basically a whole pump full. I always want to focus on the ends of my hair because they are the oldest and they just break off easily. So make sure I'm splitting and just getting all that dispersed throughout my hair. Okay, so the elixir is all saturated throughout my hair. I want to do a hot oil treatment because I just want to really pamper my hair and really take care of it over the next 3 months. So I'm going to do hot oil treatment before I get in and wash my hair. All right, so I got the plastic bag on. I got my heat head cap on. I'm gonna leave this on for about 20 minutes and then I'm gonna meet you guys in the shower. Okay, so at this point, I'm going to go ahead and rinse out the elixir with lukewarm water. And then I'm going to go ahead and shampoo my hair with the Stimulating Moisture Cleanse, which is an African black soap-based shampoo designed to gently cleanse your hair while stimulating hair growth. It moisturizes the scalp and hair while cleansing. It soothes and calms irritated scalp and related condition, and it restores the pH balance to optimize hair and scalp health. I loved this shampoo. It gave me the right amount of suds to get all that dirt out of there, but gently cleansed my hair. I didn't feel like it stripped any of my natural moistures in my hair. I really liked this shampoo. It was my first time trying an African black soap based shampoo, so I always heard great things about it, so it was nice to try it through them. It was great. The next thing that I went in after shampooing that out of my hair was the Low Porosity Stimulating Moisture Conditioner. Now, this is suitable for all hair types, but it's especially tailored for low porosity, dry, frizzy, brittle hair that struggles in the areas of growth, scalp inflammation, moisture infusion, shedding, and length retention. So this was very moisturizing for my hair. My hair loved this. This alone made my curls just pop right after using it. The first time I used it, I just left it in my hair for about 5 minutes, and the second time I used it as a deep conditioner. And this stuff just brings my curls back without even having to do much to it. Like, I just been using a leave-in conditioner and an oil to style my hair. I haven't been using any stylers at all, and I've just been loving what these products have been doing to my curls. They've just been making them so healthy. Look at my curls. They look amazing. So I'm gonna get out the shower and just style my hair as normal. Okay, I was just gonna style my hair, come back and show you guys the results, but I had to stop and show you guys how my hair looked just hopping out the shower and rinsing this out. This is what my hair looks, no product, using Renewed Hair Company. I'm so impressed. Like, I feel like I could just let my hair dry up like this and I would be happy. It looks so beautiful. Like, this is my natural hair after using those products. I recommend this product 10 out of 10. I'm so excited. I'm definitely going to be continuing and keeping you guys along the journey of basically the final results of what these products are going to do to my hair within the next 3 months. So thanks so much for watching, you guys. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay, so I definitely wanted to show you guys how my hair looked after styling my hair with just the leave-in and the oil, the elixir oil from Renewed Hair Company. This is my hair day 4 hair with nothing, no type of styler, no type of gel or nothing. This is just how my hair looks with the leave-in and the oil. Like, these products, I'm so obsessed, you guys. I'm so obsessed with how healthy and curly my hair is looking. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.